Hey Odyssey, welcome to Tuesday Science. I am so excited to be able to teach you more about science, and our lesson for this unit is going to be solar system. So I'm so excited about that. I love space and technology, so let's get started. So what we're going to be talking about today is systems. So when you think about the word system, I'm going to put it right here. I want you to think about, can you name a system? And what does the word system mean to you? Okay, so just take a minute and think about what system means. Okay, so now I want you to keep that in your thoughts, and then I want you to think about if you can think of a type of a system. So take a second to think about that. Well, I'm thinking a lot of you are thinking about things that have the word system in it. Like, I bet some people had the thought solar system. And I bet from our unit from before, I might have heard some people talk about a circulatory system or skeletal system. So those would be some systems that I bet some of you were thinking about. So what we're going to do today and what we're going to talk about is systems and how a system has to have every part acting together. Everything relies on each other in a system. So I want you to think about it. I'm going to throw a system out there right now. I'm going to talk about a school system. So if I had a school system, I want you to think about what would be all the parts of a school system. So I know for a school system, I'm going to need students. That's going to be part of my system. I also know I'm going to need teachers. I'm going to need definitely the cafeteria workers, right? I'm going to need trays for my food. I'm going to need desks. Might need some pencils. I know I'm going to need a school building, and I'm going to need to have some other materials, people, and all kinds of other things that are going to be a part of my school system. So I want you to think about if I had a school system and I took one of those pieces out of that school system. So let's say I take out the teachers. Now don't get too excited. What would happen in a school system if we took out the teachers? Would it be still a school? Would it be considered a system? What if we took away the students? What if we took away PE? Is that really going to be a school? Okay? So I want you to think about those things today when we're talking about a system. And in your journal today, I want you to tell me about what you learned today about what a school system is and what would happen if you didn't have some of those things that go with a school system. And then in your science assignment, I have a list of a few things. And I'm going to ask you to put an X next to those things that you think are a system. And then I want you to tell me why you might have chose some of those things. Okay? And then tomorrow, we're going to take that big solar system and we're going to learn a lot about it. Have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys later. Miss ya, love ya, bye-bye.